Welcome to Accountability Thursday, where we get honest about what actually keeps you on track. Here's the truth. It's not the big, dramatic choices that derail us. It's the small, daily habits that we repeat without even thinking. Those are what make or break our success. Habit number 1, planning ahead. If you don't plan your meals, you'll default to whatever convenient, and 9 times out of 10, that includes carbs. Taking 5 minutes in the morning, or better yet, the night before, to lay out protein and fat options keeps you from grabbing crackers when you're hungry. Think of it as setting the future up for success. Habit number 2, what you bring into your home. Now, if you do the shopping, you have a lot more control over this. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. And there are those times when stress kicks in and you raid the pantry and there's nothing in there, so it sort of saves you. If your pantry is full of chips, cookies, soda, guess what you're going to reach for when you're tired and stressed? Accountability means stocking your home for success. So you may need to put your family's snacks in a separate area, and you may choose a cabinet for your own, so you don't have to look in there. If it's not there, you can't eat it. And instead, keep easy wins: hard-boiled eggs, cheese sticks, cooked meat, sparkling water, things that support your goals. Habit number 3, being honest about bites and tastes. This is the sneaky one. You think, I'll just taste this while I'm cooking, or one fry off my spouse's plate won't matter. But those bites add up quickly, especially if you do it every day. Accountability is about counting the things you would rather ignore. And let's add habit number 4, consistency over perfection. Too many people chase the perfect day, then throw it all away when life gets messy. The truth is, showing up with good habits for 80 to 90% of the time is what really brings results. Perfection isn't required, consistency is. Accountability is building a lifestyle where the right choice becomes the easy choice. And when your habits work for you, you don't need willpower, you just live the plan. So tell me in the comments, what's one habit you've changed that made the biggest difference in your health journey? Let us know in the comments, because we all could use these tricks and tips in our arsenal. Is it planning, shopping differently, or something else? This is Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. I'll see you in the next video.